Hey guys, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to do two things. We're going to unbox a new Jordan 1 mid, which is the Jordan 1 Milan. One of the most sophisticated, elegant, cleanest looking Jordan 1s that you can find. It's actually my favorite Jordan 1 mid to date. And apart from that, we're also going to have sneakers cleaned. I'm going to have my Off-White Prestos OG clean today. It's been beaten up mercilessly in the past few months and it needs a proper cleaning. Now the service that I'm actually going to use, it's called Happy Helpers. They service home cleaning as well as sneaker cleaning in your home. So we're going to check that out. This is the before shot. Take a look at how dirty it is, especially in the midsole. Especially the outsole, man, it's already almost black. And I'll show you the after they clean it. We're also going to talk to the owner, interview her, so you get a better idea of what the business is all about. With that said, let's go. Now, before we get to the Jordan 1 unboxing as well as checking out the home cleaning service that I mentioned to you guys earlier, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is a premium men's accessories brand based out of Australia. And they come out with amazing products such as this beaded bracelet, which I wear all the time, and this minimalist bar necklace that I have over here. Now, here's the great news for you guys. If ever you want to pick any of the products up, they actually are doing their winter sale. So you can click the link down below, go to the website. I curated a bunch of items that you might find interesting, and they have a 20% winter sale. And on checkout, if you use the code Carlo, you actually get an additional 15% off your entire order, free worldwide shipping. So what are you guys waiting for? If you're looking for men's accessories, check them out. Rose Gold and Black, link down below. So let's jump right into the unboxing. So I have over here a brand new Jordan 1 mid that I bought from Sneakers and Such over at Shangri-La at Styled. So if ever you find yourself at that mall, make sure to drop by that shop. Check out the sneakers that they have up for grabs. Now this is actually the Jordan 1 Milan mid. It's inspired by Italian architecture, specifically architecture over at Milan. I think they have like some sort of city square where they drew architectural inspiration from to be able to put this sneaker together. And it is an amazing shoe. I actually wore it already, did on feet, and it is mind-blowingly awesome. Now, it comes in your typical black Jordan mid box. You have the gold Jumpman logo at the top. You have the details of the sneaker over here. I did go through to size on this one. So I did go size, 0.5. So I did half a size up. So it is size 12.5. Now you pop the box open, you have your typical tissue paper with 23 written all over it, and then bam! Take a look at that shoe. First, we have to talk about the colors. You have tan, you have gray, you have bone white, you have caramel, all coming together in a really fantastic color blocking. Everything from the toe box all the way to the collar is just beautifully well designed and well put together. Apart from the colors, you really also have to take a look at the textures, the materials. You have suede, you have leather, you have canvas, all in different textures. Take a look at that. It even has its own like tab that says Milan and the Nike swoosh logo. And then when I say textures, take a look at this. You really have to take a closer look. So if you take a look at the toe box, you see the lines that go up and down. You see the lines also here at the back of the shoe. You have a different textured leather that you can find over there at the caramel side. Different textured leather over here at the side panel in bone white. I mean, it's just crazy. I mean, the amount of detail and character that this sneaker brings to the table, really good. Perhaps my only complaint or issue with this sneaker is that it will get dirty really fast with the color blocking that you have. So if you are the type that always prefers their sneakers to be clean, just be ready to always have like crepe wipes with you to wipe it down, because this one will definitely attract a lot of dirt, a lot of grime as you beat it up every day. Oh, and in terms of comfort, it's your typical Jordan 1. It's not really the most comfortable sneaker that you can buy, especially if you have wide and flat feet. It's actually punishing that way, but it is one of those tiis guapo, tiis ganda sneakers that you would want to rock. So again, this one for me, 2 thumbs up. I love the color, I love the style, I love the character, I love the design, the inspiration, everything about this sneaker. 2 thumbs up for me. Highly recommended for a Jordan 1 mid. With that out of the way, I want to share with you guys the awesome home cleaning service that I mentioned earlier. They're actually working on the YouTube studio right now. So what I'll do is I'll get this camera, bring it down with me, and we'll even interview the entrepreneur behind it. So I'm having my OG Prestos clean, 2 of them, as well as my Blazer OGs off-white. So those 3 sneakers, I'll have them clean, as well as a couple of pairs from my wife. So I'll even do like a before and after so you can see how good they are when it comes to cleaning. So with that said, let's go! Here with Jo. She's one of the co-founders of Happy Helpers. So that's the company that does the home cleaning service that I mentioned to you earlier. But they now also do sneaker cleaning services at your home. So panalo, sobrang panalo. Now, I know you can relate with the issue, no, na you're going to leave your sneakers in a cleaning shop and then it will be gone for you for like a week or 2 weeks. Ito, pupunta sila sa bahay nyo, lilinisin na yung bahay ninyo, and then they can actually offer to clean your sneakers as well.
Yes,
yes. So maybe, Jo, Biggie, you can introduce your company, what you guys do, para lang they have a better appreciation.
Okay. So thank you, Carlo, for inviting us into your home today. We're very excited. So Happy Helpers is a professional home service company, and we clean residential houses, commercial spaces, office buildings. We clean any space. And what's also exciting about us is that we use all natural cleaning solutions.
So walang chemicals.
Walang chemicals.
Okay, so, panalo yun. Malaking bagay
exactly.
Yun.
So we use this to clean your home, and our cleaning solutions are can also disinfect and sanitize the areas.
Which is super important in
Yes.
today's, well, basta today.
In today.
Gets nyo na yun.
Yes.
Bakit? Bakit
And
importante yun?
And actually every day.
Oh.
Every day. So it's just best to keep our areas clean and germ-free.
So they came to the YouTube studio, they cleaned the entire space, and apart from that, they also clean sneakers.
Yes.
Diba? So baka you can tell them about the sneaker cleaning service.
Yeah, so we're very excited. We are launching the home service for shoe cleaning.
Panalo!
Yay! We're launching it this week, and you will see it or you will share it later in the sneakers that we cleaned. So, and the solutions that we use there are also all natural. So no chemicals in keeping your most prized possessions safe and clean, and we also disinfect them.
Correct.
So we disinfect inside the shoe and then do a basic cleaning around the shoe. So like you said, hindi nyo na kailangan dalhin sa shop.
Correct.
Since we're there at your homes, cleaning your homes, we'll also
Damay na
clean
yung sapatos.
Damay na yung sapatos.
Okay, please take
Yes.
note that it's basic cleaning.
Yes.
Diba? Don't expect like the entire shebang na
Yeah.
tatanggalin yung laces or whatever. But maybe in the future you can offer something
Yes,
like that.
yes,
Diba?
yes.
But ako, I've seen them clean. They cleaned my 2 off-white OG Prestos. Those are very
Yes.
expensive shoes. So for me to trust you with
Yeah,
my shoes,
yeah.
malaking bagay yun. And I also had them clean like a Yeezy, an OG Blazer, and a sneaker from my wife. And maganda talaga yung kinalabasan.
Yes.
So malinis siya, natanggal lahat ng dirts, lalo na sa midsole tsaka sa outsole.
Yes.
Tapos mabango pa siya ulit. Oh, di ba?
Yes.
Pwede nang ibenta.
Pwede na suotin ulit or event ulit.
Pwede na suotin ulit o pwede punta steel cabinet, di ba?
Yes,
So where
yes.
can they find you?
So you can find us on Facebook or Instagram. It's at Happy Helpers Manila. Or you can check us out on our website, happyhelpers.ph. Or you can give us a call. I will send, can we post the numbers?
Yeah, I'll put the link down below.
Yeah. You can give us a call, Globe, Smart, any number.
Okay, and meron tayong special treat for them. If you
Yes.
DM them on Instagram with the code Carlo HH.
Yes,
Diba,
Carlo HH.
Happy Helper. So, basta Carlo HH, ano makuha nila? Meron
They
sila?
will get a special prize.
Oh, may special price kayo. So if you
Yes.
avail of their service and you use that special code when you DM them on Instagram or when you call or when you message them on Facebook, meron kayong special prize. So,
Yes.
di ba, panalo yun?
Yeah.
Okay guys, so please do check them out. Always support local companies, especially companies that have a social aspect to it.
Yes.
Okay, so with that said, that's where we'll actually end the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. And as usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.